Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you really interesting information, and this information is that Honda makes these own automatic transmissions by self, and this is really interesting because Honda is very small car manufacturer and they have planned to do almost all of these automatic transmissions by own Honda engineering. And that's these automatic transmissions are a little bit different than other cars automatic transmissions. For example, if we compare to Toyota's automatic transmissions, they are totally different because maker is Aisin transmission company, and these automatic transmissions like that one, what is from Honda Civic, this is really made by Honda. They have made this automatic transmission only for Honda cars. This is really point. And because they produce quite small amounts of these automatic transmissions, because Honda is small company if we compare like to Toyota, like versus Toyota. But this is Honda's engineering, and thumbs up that they have made these well-made automatic transmissions by Honda way. Thank you.